Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm so happy you're here to paint with me today. In this tutorial, we're going to create a peaceful sunrise forest filled with soft morning light. Tall trees fading into the mist and a dreamy hillside covered with glowing grass and delicate blue flowers. The sunlight gently pours through the forest, creating long rays of warm golden light between the trunks. Let's begin step by step. First, I mix a very soft and light color using white, yellow, and just a touch of red. With this warm mixture, I cover the sky area of the canvas. I want the background to feel bright and full of gentle morning light, so I blend the colors softly and smoothly across the surface. Next, I prepare a muted bluish-gray tone by mixing white, blue, and a small amount of black. This color will become the misty atmosphere in the background. I apply it softly behind the future trees, creating a foggy layer without adding any sharp detail. At this stage, everything should remain blurred and atmospheric. Now I begin working on the sloped ground of the forest. For the base color, I mix blue, yellow, and white to create a muted green tone. Starting from the distance, I gently shape the hillside and allow it to flow naturally downward through the composition. As the ground moves closer toward the foreground, I gradually deepen the color and use a darker green to build stronger contrast and depth. With a smaller brush, I return to the area where the sun is rising. Using warm yellow and orange tones, I softly spread the glowing light outward from the center. I let the sunlight radiate naturally into the surrounding mist, allowing the rays to gently expand through the forest. This creates a magical sunrise effect and immediately gives life and warmth to the painting. Now I begin shaping the upper branches and foliage of the trees. Using a muted green tone, I lightly tap the brush from top to bottom across the upper areas of the canvas. These soft brush strokes create the distant layers of forest foliage. I keep this layer soft and not overly dark or sharp because it represents the trees farther away in the background. In some areas where the light reaches more strongly, I slightly darken the surrounding foliage to help the glowing sunlight stand out even more. This contrast between light and shadow gives the painting a more realistic and atmospheric feeling. Next, I take a thin, diluted color and begin painting the distant tree trunks. I keep them very soft, narrow, and slightly blurred so they fade naturally into the misty background. As I gradually move closer toward the foreground, I darken the tone little by little and begin defining each trunk more clearly. One by one, the trees begin to emerge from the fog, creating beautiful layers of depth throughout the forest scene. Now I move down toward the forest floor and begin building the glowing highlights across the sloping ground. Using small, delicate brushstrokes, I gently place touches of light over the surface. Some areas remain darker and richer in shadow, while others catch more of the warm sunrise glow. This variation is very important because it keeps the ground from looking flat and helps create the feeling of uneven, natural terrain covered with grass and soft morning light. Next, I mix a deep, earthy brown using yellow, red, and black. With this darker tone, I paint sections of the ground beneath the grasses and flowers. This step creates a beautiful foundation of shadow and depth. Later, when the brighter grasses and highlights are added on top, the contrast becomes much more dramatic and realistic. Allowing some of these darker areas to remain visible between the layers gives the painting a richer and more natural appearance. Now I begin introducing small touches of blue throughout the grassy hillside to suggest tiny wildflowers growing here and there among the vegetation. At first, these flowers are soft and subtle in the distance, blending naturally into the landscape. As I move closer toward the foreground, I use a smaller brush to make the flowers clearer, brighter, and more dimensional. To make the flowers glow softly in the morning light, I add a hint of white to the tops of some petals, creating delicate highlights. These tiny accents bring life into the foreground and make the flowers appear fresh and illuminated by the rising sun. Using a liner brush and a thick, dark mixture, I then begin painting the branches of the trees. The thin, elegant lines weave naturally through the composition, adding structure and rhythm to the forest. Some branches are barely visible in the mist, while others stand out more clearly in the foreground. Next, I add two darker tree trunks closer to the viewer. These foreground trunks immediately increase the sense of depth within the painting. By placing darker and more defined elements near the front, the distant trees appear even farther away, enhancing the atmospheric perspective and creating a stronger three-dimensional feeling throughout the scene. Now I begin adding highlights onto the trunks to reveal the texture and form of the bark. With lighter tones, I carefully paint subtle vertical highlights and soft variations across the surface, allowing the trees to feel rounded rather than flat. Little by little, the texture of the bark starts to emerge naturally. I return once more to the grasses covering the hillside and continue refining their details. I add thin blades, soft highlights, and small variations in color and direction. Layer by layer, the ground becomes fuller, richer, and more alive, completing the peaceful atmosphere of this glowing sunrise forest. Watching a blank canvas slowly transform into a glowing landscape is always such a beautiful journey. And I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. To complete the painting, I add the final glowing rays of sunlight streaming gently through the trees and falling across this peaceful forest landscape. These soft beams of light bring everything together and give the scene its magical early morning atmosphere. I truly hope you enjoyed painting this dreamy sunrise forest with me and found a little moment of peace and inspiration throughout the process. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by leaving a like and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Have a good day!